Okay. So you've got your library in Moara built. Maybe it's 50, 100, 1,000 papers and citations. And I was asked a question about a use case the other day that I thought was really interesting, not just because of the solution, but because of what the solution kind of illustrated in Moara. And that is the flexibility of the tool, the number of things you can do with the combination of features we have. So I want to bring up something which is anytime you're struggling to figure out a use case or maybe how you can use Mora for something, you can always start with the agent, which is a fairly new section of the site. You start with the agent, you ask a question, can the product do this, how to do this, etc. In this case, the question came up, said, how do I auto tag my library? That is, pick a few categories or 5 different categories and then assign my papers to those categories so that I can organize them easily. Now, maybe in some cases or at some point we'll have just a quick click auto tag button, but again, the solution illustrates something really important, which is the number of things you can do with more. So in this case, I have my library. I think I just have 45 papers. The way in which I'm tackling this particular challenge is keep in mind this agent has not only tons of knowledge about the platform, but has your actual library included as well. So it has, with each of its responses, a download of your library in short that is effectively plugged into a Claude chat more or less with some additional skills. So in this case, I'm actually just going to say, give me 3 to 5 categories that best describe the papers in my library. And then anytime you can combine what I'll call the library agent to the enrichments fields, that combination can generate some very powerful use cases. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and just make note of these. Maybe I can just try to do it right here on the site, but just to be safe, I'm going to copy and paste these into my Microsoft OneNote on a separate screen. Niche signals and microenvironment, HSC characterization, transplantation models, not that this is my topic or my area of expertise, and then this other one right here. I'll just let that speak for itself. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take those 3 categories and in a similar fashion to I would use tags to, for example, batch prioritize or batch tag. In this case, I can use the enrichments field. Yes, there's 60 different menu options, integrations, whatnot. I'm going to use the custom enrichments one. I'll move my kind of face over there. I'm going to put the column name as categories. And then in the instructions, you can play around with different prompts and you can actually ask the agent for the optimal prompt on this front. But what I'll say is something like categorize my papers, each paper, I should say. Categorize, whoops, tough to type when you're recording yourself. Each paper, okay, Friday here, according to these 3 categories. Okay, and I'm going to take those 3 I just saved down. A little bit tedious doing this again via video, but let's take those 3. And then just to be safe, I'm putting them in both places. So the first place I'm putting them is in the prompt itself. I think this will pay dividends because it'll be highly accurate. Then I'll put them here. And again, that's my specified outcome. Now, if you want to just get a quick read on this, you can actually put probably any, and then you'll get that response. But just to make sure absolutely you get no outputs other than these 3, I'm going to go ahead and run these enrichments. And as we'll see start to show up, each one will be categorized, kind of forced to be categorized. Now, you might want to add one more for unsure, just in case, but here we have our categories. This is, again, effectively an auto tag. And obviously, the next step is then filter down for each one or filter down for the ones you're looking for. Or something else that came up on that call is that you can use your agent to ask questions about specifically papers in this category. Okay, I want to know the methodologies that are used across only papers that fall under the category of niche signals and microenvironment. So just so many different possibilities given you have the agent, you have your enrichments, you have AI search, different ways of adding papers, and then I haven't even mentioned, of course, the toolbox where you can actually go in, select from a dozen different tools. Maybe you want a screening tab, you want an annotations tab, you want to have a synthesis, you want to have a writing tab. All of that then shows up in your toolbox, and there's tons of other things within each of those that you can do with your library.